we go. You're looking at about 4,000 feet above sea level on top of those mountains. We're already 1,000 feet here. So it's a lot higher and a lot further than it looks. There is a track that goes up over here, but it'd be very hard to walk up there. Lots of dangerous things out there. Snakes, ticks, yowies, which is our Bigfoot. I wouldn't go up there into their territory, because I know they live up there in the caves, because there's caves up there. There's waterfalls in the wet season. There's a whole range of waterfalls that fall here. You can watch them from here and you can hear them. So when that happens, I'll get some good film of that.